this occasion. Today, we mark a significant milestone in our journey towards excellence in education as we formally announce our partnership with Vyas Edification, Kota's top premier institution. We are honored to have amongst us today Mr. Shishir Mittal. Please change the slide, Peter. CEO of Vyas Edification. Your presence here is a testament to your commitment to education and your belief in our shared vision. To our parents, we welcome you and thank you for entrusting us with the education and care of your children. Your support and partnership are invaluable to us, and we look forward to working together to provide your children with the best possible education. This partnership with Vyas Edification is a significant step for all of us, as it is taking us into a very progressive, forward-looking world of tomorrow, as our children will be provided with world-class facility and access to the faculty, resources, and expertise. We are confident that this collaboration will enhance our academic program, provide new opportunities for our students, and help us achieve our goal of becoming a center of excellence in education in not only in this town of Tirupalli, I do say it is in Andhra Pradesh in general. It will be one of the best institutions in coming days. And who knows, after 2 years, the first batch will flag off in 2025, 26 and 11 with the IIT and NEET experience. In 28, we are going to see our first batch of IITians from this school. Before we begin with the proceedings, I would like to express once again my gratitude to our esteemed guest parents. It is rightly said, Vidya Dadati Vinyam, means that knowledge gives humility and grace. And today is a perfect time for new beginning. And with grace and humility, I extend this partnership with our parents for today. To speak a little bit more about Shishir sir, please change the slide. Yeah, it's there. To his credit, he has more than 50,000 students in classroom program he has touched till today over last 25 years with an active student interaction time of nearly 1 lakh hours. Authors of 4 books of chemistry for IIT and JEE. BTech from IIT Mumbai, 1994-98 batch. Pan-India Byju's lead instructor for IIT JEE and NEET program. He was former executive president and HOD of chemistry Resonance, which I was sharing my experience that when I attended my son's orientation in 2015, there was a big rush in Resonance for SM Sir's orientation in chemistry. And I had to reach, 4 o'clock was the time, sir, and I reached at 1:30 to take my seat. So that was a charisma. That was, I can say, the charming student. SM sir ko sunna hai. SM sir ko sunna hai. SM, we want to listen to SM sir. So that magnetic persona he has. Shortly you are going to feel that vibes when he comes and speaks here. He was a founding faculty of chemistry at Bansal's classes, Kota. We welcome you, sir. We have with us Utkarsh Gupta. He is the Chief Technical Officer with Vyas Edification now, a BTech from IIT Mumbai in Computer Science. He is NTSCN KVPY Scholar, topper of IPHO and ICHO, international gold medalist in ICHO, and All India rank 17 in IIT JEE 2016. I'm sorry, I said 2020. He has been one of the department toppers in the Fable Computer Science Department of IIT Mumbai. I welcome this young dynamic man with us today, who is sitting on the chair this side. Yes, children, I hope you should clap for them. You should clap for them. So, just to recollect, please move on the slides. The Hall of Fame, I would like to see, take a time. So, vast experience. And now, sir is leading his Vyas Edification with several integrated school projects all across the country and touching thousands of his students with the expertise he had earned over the years in the field of the coaching industry. Next, please, Shiva. So, Utkarsh Gupta, trailblazer in science and technology. We are proud that he's here with us today. Next, please. Now, these are the ranks which I wanted to show you. In Nitin Gupta, AIR 1, IIT JEE 2000. Shubham Mehta, AIR 2, JEE Mains 2011. Shubham Mehta and Utkarsh Gupta, who is with us today. AIR 17, IIT JEE 2016. Then comes Shubhankar Mehta, AIR 100, IIT JEE 2019. And 2020, Dhananjay Kejriwal, AIR All India Rank 15 in IIT JEE. With that, I come to conclusion for today, and I now hand over the mic to Sir to go for the formal